Hello, everyone. Today we're going to do stress analysis on the swing tip that I created for my student project last quarter for my 195 class. So in order to do stress analysis on this, we're going to go to our static study workbench. So I'm going to just click OK. So we already have material applied. And what we're going to do is going to define our boundary condition. So we're going to clamp all these front faces here to make sure this portion of the wingtip not gonna be moved. Here we go. It has all four faces here. We're gonna click OK, and we're gonna define our loads. In order to do that, we will select on loads. Because it's a wingtip, what I wanted to check was how vertex will affect this wingtip. Is my wingtip is going to do the job it needs to do. So we're going to do remote torque. So we're going to select our surface, click to make sure our vertex is have enough torque in here. So we're just going to go crazy for fun. But also I want to choose different axes. I want to go over x-axis, not z-axis, because when the vertex comes, it goes and rotates this way. So let's see if I can change the direction of it. Here we go, changing the direction of it. So when the vertex comes, it comes because of the static pressure that's going on here, the vertex starts going this way, right? So we're going to test it out and see how it goes. So we're going to click OK, and we're going to run our simulation. So it'll take a little bit to for our program to do the calculations for us, which is nice that we don't have to do our own simulation calculation for it. So once the report is ready, it will tell us, oh, hey, simulation is complete. So to see what it's doing, we can click play. We can see von Mises. It shows how our wing deflects when when the vertex comes, when all the shaking going on. We can also, if we want to change our parameters and run it again, we can. We just need to click on which parameters we want to change. And here we go. Let's go the other direction. So when the vertex comes, how it affects the wing. How the wrapping affects the wing. So we're going to run our simulation again. And again, it will take a little bit to prepare the simulation and show us what it can do. And results are in, simulation is complete. We'll click OK. And we'll see what it does, the other direction. So this is the von Mises stress. It shows how the wing deflects. Also displacement. And we can see that the material that we applied, it actually can handle it. Um, we see what it does when it compresses. You can see even under the wingtip what it's doing. So it does a great job at showing what we need to see. And we can generate report just to see what it does for us in writing, all the formulas that it went through to calculate it all. And once the report is complete, it will give us a Word document to show us what it looks like on the paper. So we can try different kinds of loads on it to see what else it can do, um, to see what kind of else stress it gives us. Look at that. Types we used. What did we do? So that's a report. Also, we can see reaction force as a beam clamp to see what it's doing in what area. So we can look at the weak points. Where do we need to adjust? So that's how this simulation works. That's how the stress analysis are created. So if you guys like my video, please hit like.